In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Airbnb using Google and make some front-end adjustments like modifying the language and currency settings. It might sound simple, but follow along and I'll make sure you get the most out of it. To start, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is going to be your gateway to Airbnb. Once you're on the Google homepage, locate the search bar right in the middle of the page. It's hard to miss. Now type Airbnb into the search bar. As you type, you might notice that Google offers autocomplete suggestions. That's great if it can save you some typing. Hit enter, and within seconds, Google's search algorithms will bring up a list of the most relevant results. Now carefully look for the Airbnb link that reads Airbnb, vacation rentals, cabins, beach houses, and more. Give that link a click, and this will direct you to the main Airbnb webpage. Once there, you may find the environment unfamiliar if you haven't visited the site in a while, but no worries. We're about to make a few changes to ensure you feel at home. Locate 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the Airbnb page, often referred to as the hamburger menu due to its appearance. Clicking on this will open a sliding menu where you'll have several options to explore. Amongst these, you'll see login or sign up, a crucial step if you want to save your preferences or make reservations later on. Go ahead and click that if you wish to browse privately or set up your account. Having navigated back to the main screen, the next thing you'll want to do is click on that hamburger menu once again. This time, pay attention to the languages and currency option. It's crucial to set these parameters according to your needs, so you can comfortably browse and book without any misunderstandings. Give the languages and currency option a click and you'll be presented with a list of available languages and currency settings. Choose the language you prefer from the given options. This tool lets you experience the Airbnb website in a way that feels native to you, which can make a huge difference, especially when it comes to understanding terms, conditions, and descriptions of the properties available. Once you've selected your preferred language and currency, take a moment to explore the site further. Now that you're logged in and the site is adjusted to your linguistic and monetary preferences, navigating Airbnb should be as straightforward as pie. And there you have it, a quick and easy refresh on how to use Google to explore Airbnb and make sure it's set up just right for you. With these steps fresh in your mind, booking your next getaway is just a few clicks away. Enjoy your travels!